guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to change notification ringtone. So before proceeding, please share, like and subscribe so that you will never miss any update. So now I'm going to show you how to change notification ringtone. So first we have to on the setting, and then from here you can just simply scroll it down, or you can search it here also. So we have to scroll down, and then here is written here notification and status bar. So we have to click it. Here it shows battery percentage, show real time network here, and also notification promoted. So and then but we have to click here on manage notification. So now here to change the notification ringtone, here also you can change it from the app. Just like this, click the app, that here it will show all notification are here. It will show default game channel and system here. Here also will show this, that here also the ringtone that you can change, then you can change it, or for the one the default that we have to search here. Scroll down, for the default one we have to click on here, sound and vibration, click it. Then after that, here it will show message tone. So we have to click it. Then here you can change the messages tone, because we have to change the notification. So we have to change here the message tone also. Here we can change it. Then you can add any one you wanted. Then click it here and show this. Then click it after that you have clicked, then it will show like this. Then you can just simply search it here also. And so this is it, guys, of how to change notification ringtone. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like it.